Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your school furniture supplier business. So let's suppose I am running school furniture supplier business and I am receiving many queries on my WhatsApp. I was manually replying to all of the queries and this was consuming a lot of my time. So I am completely going to automate this process, and to do this automation, I am going to create a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now when this WhatsApp chatbot is created and when a user sends me a message, automatically the reply will be sent to that user based on that query. And all the details sent by the user will be automatically added to my Google Sheet spreadsheet with the help of the integration which I have created with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to see how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your school furniture supplier business. For this, I have created this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and now we are going to check this once whether it is working fine or not. For that, I am going to open my WhatsApp and I am going to send some message. Let's wait for the reply. And here I have received this message. Hello and welcome to EduFurnish, your trusted school furniture partner. How can we help you today? And here I have options: furniture catalog, request bulk pricing, place an order. If I click on this furniture catalog, the complete catalog will be provided to me in document format. So I am going to receive this. I have received this brochure. I am going to download this. Let's wait till it gets downloaded. And here it has been downloaded. Now let's open this. So this is the brochure which I have received. It has all the details. And if I click on this next button, which is request bulk pricing, it is going to ask me for few questions. So here I am going to provide the school name ABC School. And you will see that as soon as I send all these details, so the answers, these details will be automatically added here to my Google Sheet spreadsheet. So I am going to send this. The location is, let's say, Bhopal. And then it is going to ask me number of units needed. I am going to write 100 and then send this message. It says, thank you, our team will send you the code soon, and you will see all the details. These details are added to my Google Sheet spreadsheet. Let's open this. And we can see the school name which we have sent was ABC School. It has been added. The location was Bhopal. It has been added. And the quantity 100, it has been added. Now the next button was of this. Place an order. I am going to click on this. And here it is going to ask me a question, product name. I am going to send this message, benches, and it is going to send me some other message like the quantity. I am going to write 9 and it is going to ask me another question. So here it is asking my name. I am sending my name, and next it is going to ask me the address. So here I am going to send this address and I am going to add all these details automatically to my Google Sheet spreadsheet. I have received a confirmation message. Order received. Will confirm and share an invoice shortly. Now if I open my Google Sheet spreadsheet, I can see that all these details are added over here. The product name, benches, quantity 9, full name Shubhamurthy, and the delivery address is this. So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run. And now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your school furniture business. For this, I've created this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And to visit Pabbly Chatflow, we simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And now after browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access Now. And it has taken me towards this app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to learn how you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this Add WhatsApp number. You can connect your WhatsApp number with the help of this button and create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, or you can use a manual token to create your own Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, please visit our YouTube channel. Now this is the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, which gives the overview of all the activities, insights, and performance metrics. Over here on the left hand side, I have another option of inbox, which is the central place to manage and reply to customer conversations. We have this contacts, which manage your lead, customer, and the details. We have the Steam queues, which assign and manage incoming chats among team members. We have the templates, which create and manage reusable message templates for campaigns. We have broadcast, which send bulk messages to selected contacts or segments. With the help of this flow, we can build automated chatbot workflows and conversation sequences. We have this AI assistant, which use AI tools to auto-generate replies, content, or suggestion. We have this activity log, which track all the activities in your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have the settings, and over here we can see all the options, which will help us configure account integration and preferences. We have this option of get help, which access the support FAQs or contact the help desk. Now let's move back towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and to create a WhatsApp chatbot, we have to move towards Flow. So let's open this flows, and here we are landed towards this flow builder. Over here, you can see the total flows, active flows, inactive flows. You can see all the flows which I have created. To create a new flow, you simply need to click on this add flow. So let's open this. And here we have landed towards this page from where we are going to start creating this WhatsApp chatbot. But before we start this, let's quickly name this to WhatsApp chatbot for your school furniture supplier business. And after this, we have to go through the two options of messages and actions, and under these options, we have the very most important buttons which we will be using while creating this WhatsApp chatbot. Over here, we have this option of text button and media button, which helps us send text messages, images, videos, or documents. We have this option of list, which provide various options. We have this catalog message. If you want to send the catalog message, if you have single product, if you want to send multiple product, you can use these buttons. Over here, we have this option of templates, which is a pre-designed message format, which includes text, images, buttons, or links. Moving on towards the actions, the first one is condition, which helps us branch the flow. We can ask the address, ask the location, ask the question, and we can ask them to upload the media. We can set the custom field. We can add the tag to segment the users. We can use this API request, which will help us send or retrieve the data from external APIs. And we can use this connect flow, which will help us connect one flow to another flow. So now let's quickly start creating this WhatsApp chatbot. And to start this WhatsApp chatbot, we have to trigger or activate this WhatsApp chatbot. And to do that, we have to enter the keywords and the regex. So here I'm going to enter some commonly used keywords like hello, hey, and hi. And you can add the keywords of your product and services. Like I'm running a furniture supply business, so I can enter something like that. And that particular keyword is going to trigger or activate this WhatsApp chatbot. Now I'm going to enter this regex. So here we have to make sure that we enter the regex in the same format. So regex is like a smart search tool that helps chatbot identify patterns in user messages. Instead of manually listing out every possible keyword, you can define rules to match different variation of words or phrases. Here I have entered the regex, and you can enter keywords or the regex, or you can enter both. For now, I am going to remove the keywords, and I am going to trigger this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So I have entered that. Now I have to create the message. As soon as this WhatsApp chatbot got triggered, I have received this message. So how I was able to receive this message, I will go back towards my flow, and over here you can see the circle. I'm going to drag and drop this, and then I'm going to select my content type. From this drop down, I'm going to select my content type as text plus button. I have already explained you all the content type, and then I'm going to enter the message. Now over here you can see that I was able to bold this particular text. So how I was able to do that? For that, I have put star in the beginning and in the end of the sentence, and with the help of this particular thing, I was able to bold my text. And then I've asked them, how can I help you? And then I'm going to provide them the buttons in which I'm going to enter the options. Over here, you can see that I've provided 3 options. If you want to provide more options, you can simply drag and drop this list, or you can select your content, add content as list, and then you can add all the details. I'm going to provide 3 options, so I'm quickly going to create the buttons and the messages to each of these buttons. So here I have created the buttons. First is furniture catalog, second is request bulk pricing, third is place an order. Now here in this furniture catalog, I am going to provide them with a complete brochure. And how I have provided this? For that, I have simply drag and drop this media button, selected my media type as document, click on this cloud, and then I have selected the document which I want to upload and simply click on this open, and that document was uploaded. I have entered the caption as check out all the details here, and then if you want, you can add the button, like if you want to buy something like that, you can add the buttons also, and then you can enter the question in this caption. I have entered check out all the details here. You can select anything or upload anything like the image, video, audio, but you have to keep in mind that the file limit do not exceed the given file limit. So here we are done with this first button. The second was of request bulk pricing. Now when they are going to request the bulk pricing, I'm going to ask few questions like what is the organization name, what is the location, and the number of units, and then I'm going to send all these details to my Google Sheet spreadsheet which I have created, and then I'm going to send them the thank you message like, okay, thank you, we are going to send you the code. And then the final button was of place an order. So here I have asked them the question, the quantity, their full name, the delivery address, and then sent all these details to my Google Sheet spreadsheet. Over here you can see that I have created sheet number 2 for all these details. And then as soon as they send me the details, I'm going to send the confirmation message, and then the order received. We'll confirm and send an invoice shortly. Now, how I was able to send all these details, I have used the same concept in both of these buttons. So first I've created the question. First, let's go through this question, ask question button. I have simply drag and drop this ask question. I have entered my question. I've selected the question field which I've created for that particular question. Like over here, you can see that I'm going to ask them their product name. So I have entered a custom field for that, and then I've selected the format, and we have to select the format according to our choice and preference. If we are going to ask them the name, we can select the text. If we are going to ask them the phone number or the date, we can select according to the question which we have asked. I hope this is clear to you. Now here I have created a contact custom field, and whenever I'm going to ask this question and my user send me the answer, that answer gets saved in this contact custom field. Now on the left hand side where we can see all these options, I have this option of settings from where I have to go towards this contact custom field. Let's open this, and we have landed towards this contact custom field. If I scroll down, I can see all the fields which I have created. You can create more field by clicking on this add more field, and then you can simply save that. And you can create as many fields as you want. Now over here, if I go back towards my flow, I have asked them the product name, and then I have saved that in that particular contact custom field. And what you can do, you can also create a personalized message from this contact custom field. As your customer or the user answer that question, you can copy this contact custom field and you can paste that to any message in which you want to create this dynamic or personalized message. So with the help of this dollar, that message is going to get personalized. Here I've asked all the questions in the very similar manner, created the contact custom field, selected the format, and then sent all these details with the help of this API request. I've simply drag and drop this API request, and I have clicked on this webhook URL, and then I have created two integrations with the help of Pabbly Connect. The first one is for sheet number 1, the second is for sheet number 2. So here I have added the webhook URL. I have selected my trigger application as webhook by Pabbly. I have copied this webhook URL and simply paste that webhook URL over here, and then I have selected my API request as post, and then I've created the question which I have asked. Like in sheet number 2, I have asked the product name, quantity, location, and the full name. So I've created 4 fields for that, and then I have selected the contact custom field which I have selected for that question. And then I've simply clicked on this test. As soon as I click on this test, the test data was sent to my Pabbly Connect workflow, and then I mapped all these details to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. I've taken my action application as Google Sheets and selected my spreadsheet, and simply click on any of the field in which I want to enter the detail and map that detail so that the detail remain dynamic, as it will be keep changing and all the new details will be keep adding in my Google Sheets spreadsheet. So here you can see I have already created this, so I'm going to open this only. Selected the API request as post, entered the webhook URL, created the field, selected the contact custom field, click on the save, the test data was sent, and I have to make sure that I click on the save. If I do not save this, the flow will start showing invalid. And finally, I have sent this thank you message of confirmation message, order received, and the rest of the details. So this is how we have created this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and you have to make sure that you have toggle on this active button. If you keep this flow inactive, the messages won't be sent. So we have kept this flow active, and then we have saved this flow. If we do not save the flow, the messages will be lost. So here we have successfully created this WhatsApp chatbot for your school furniture supplier business. If you have any doubts or queries, you can comment down the video below, and you can also stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbots. I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chat Flow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.